know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun and skin.
Finish swallowing Cheez-Its. My gosh. I thought I was gonna get that done before. So, hi guys. I'm actually vlogging on Pam's camera. You guys are gonna be all sorts of confused when we finally release these vlogs.
I know, right?
You're never gonna know because I've always been filming Pam and Pam's been filming me, but now I'm vlogging, so it's a little wonky. We're headed to Table Rock State Park. It's like a big lake, I think. I don't know. Never been, but I'm super, super, super excited. But you guys, are you ready for this?
I can drive.
Miracles happen, y'all. Miracles do happen. I'm trying really hard not to get the kiddos in the vlog, but I don't think I'm succeeding very well.
Oh, I'm gonna vlog them all day, so you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Hi guys. Hey Journey.
Yesterday was Alyssa's birthday.
Yes, we're celebrating Alyssa's birthday, or I call her E-Girl. We were talking about that, how I give everybody nicknames. Sturley is Sturly Whirly. Jern is Jern Jern. Pam is Pamalama. And Pamalama said last night to say hi to Tear Bear. And it like beyond freaked me out because that's actually what I call him. And no one knows. Now, all of you guys know, but no one knew. So we're gonna vlog throughout the day. I left my camera at home because I'm a dingo.
Sterling, you should have brought the thing, the case for the...
Oh!
Yeah. Wow.
So anyways, what is this place that we're going, Pam? Tell us about it.
I don't know. I've only been there once.
She's only been there once. Sterling, what do you remember?
It was wet.
It was wet. So we're wearing swimsuits, and I'm bringing. We all brought clothes to change into.
And snacks.
And snacks, and we each made our own sandwich. Sometimes you just need air in your brain. Do you guys know that? I haven't yawned in a while. All day I've been yawning like crazy, and they're not just little yawns. They've been like big old man yawns. So I think I'm gonna end this now, and because the girls are in hiding, and I will talk to you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Oh my god. Hello. We're back to Pam vlogging.
We're on an adventure.
Here we go.
So there was nobody at the
little booth taker.
The booth to take our money, and a guy said we had to come over here. So here we are. We don't want to break any rules. But look how beautiful it is out here. It's so quiet. It's nice.
It's only quiet because we're not here yet. We're gonna tear it up.
We should take our picture in front of
We should.
Okay. Entrance. Park. Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh, look over there.
That is really pretty.
Later, when we find out how to. Where's it going?
We gotta go get it past the park.
No.
Are we just gonna 1, 2, 3 it?
This is like, this is hurt my feet. I'm gonna walk my sandals down to the. Go ahead, Danny. Let's see. I want to see your tootsies touch the water. It ain't bad.
Oh, that's not bad.
I was
expecting like
pool.
unbelievable.
A little bit cooler.
Just gotta get used. Oh, Journey!
Journey, stop. Jump like that way. You're gonna jump.
Ooh. Is he still on you? Did he leave? Tell him, bug somebody else. Yeah, because they're bugging us. It's gotta happen.
Feels like it's letting up already. Don't you think?
Yeah. It's raining.
It's raining. Water.
As long as it's not snakes.
We already saw one. Hey guys, you like my hair? Got little piggy tails. But we are done at the lake.
Hey guys, guess who ran out of room on their camera? I just dumped my camera. The last thing was you saying, hey guys, we're done at the lake.
And it died.
Yeah. No, we ran out of space.
It still died.
Well, yeah. But we come home, got all cleaned up, and we're gonna go out to dinner. So good. The baby! Oh, the baby!
I wanna hold it so bad. I wanna hold it so bad, Mom.
Me too.
Can I get you?
There you go. Hold it down for him. Hold it out. Give it to him. Just hold it. Give it to him. There you go. Woo!
I don't have any more. Oh, look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby.
We got any crackers in the car or anything?
What? Look at the baby. Look at that baby. He's so cute. Oh, look at that. Look. Those are like almost full grown, aren't they?
Yeah.
I want to hold that. Oh, look at all
Here
them
comes some
coming.
more. Oh my gosh.
I want to hold it. Yeah. Those are so cute. Look at those teenagers. Yeah, bro. Don't do that.
Oh my goodness. Thanks. Hey guys. So I'm gonna end my vlog. I'm actually headed to bed. I just took my makeup off, but we went, ate dinner, and then came home and we're just all tired. It's like 9:30. Danny already went to bed. It's 9:47. So I don't know. There you go. Danny's already went to bed, and I am going to bed. We're gonna get up early. I actually have somebody coming to not look, but they're actually gonna buy my Bravo tomorrow. So I am selling it tomorrow. So they're gonna be here probably with like a cut on my finger. Squirrel. They're gonna be here. They said they're gonna leave early so that way they come and get it about mid-morning, so they're not like taking up our day, which I think is very considerate of them. So Danny and I are gonna get up early. We're gonna go to Starbucks, get some coffee, and then we have to move a shelf down there, and there's glitter ribbon and stuff on it, so we gotta move that out of the way. I pretty much have everything all packed up. Not packed up, but I found all the tools and accessories and stuff that go with it. So I did that previously because I've had quite a few interest in it. I've had, is there another message? I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 7th person to message me. And she was like, okay, yeah. So that's good. I'm very excited about selling it. And I'm tired. I just took off all my makeup, and so my face is like really red. But anyway, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.